Hi, I'm Maricar Bahamonda from BSN 4E and I'm running for the position of the secretary. So I know that magiging mahirap siya, lalo na ngayon na I recently joined the Battle of the Nightingales and meron na kami 3 weeks to prepare for the contest. So in that 3 weeks, I know na mas magiging busy kami. But even if ganon, I will make sure na I will make time for the organization. I plan to keep myself organized sa mga scheduling para kahit anong mangyari, may time at may time pa rin para sa organization. And even if before, kahit marami akong mga tasks na ginagawa in different subjects, especially in academics and even in my junior high school and senior high school, kahit na ganon is nakakaya ko siyang i-manage kasi I am the type of person na kapag nape-pressure is parang lalo akong napupush to do my best and I always find a way around things para mapagkasya yung mga gawain. And especially ngayong 4th year kasi talagang ini-aim ko na makasali sa mga org. So, whatever happens, kahit gano'n pa ka-busy yan, I will make sure na may time ako for organization. And if hindi siya kakayanin ng schedule, magsasabi ako in advance para hindi naman makaabala ng iba. And in terms of the mga gawain, I already inquired with a lot of people na kilala ko dito sa school na nasa org din kung anong ginagawa ng secretary and they generously gave me advice naman on what to do, yung ganon. So, aside from that is I'm willing to learn as a member of the group. Basta I'm going to make sure that I will give my best. So, that's all. Thank you.